How to mirror objects in AutoCAD in 3D mode. How to mirror 3D objects in AutoCAD. Make sure you are in 3D modeling. I will need to select line. Now this time draw line parallel to the axis you want to mirror. I want to mirror parallel to that axis. Now I will select the object I want to mirror. Wait for object to select. It take a few seconds. Now type mirror 3D. Select mirror 3D from here. Second point on mirror plane. There. Then I'll mirror about this corner. I will select no. Let's repeat the process. Select the object you want to mirror. We take a few seconds to load. Alright, now select mirror, type mirror 3D. Mirror 3D. Now select the plane. The second point. Then I'll select that point. Then delete source object. No. We take a few seconds to load. So guys, that is how you can mirror points in AutoCAD. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Of course, AutoCAD is hanging a bit, but you can see what we have just achieved. So can you mirror another point so that you understand what we just did? So let me first go to in 3D modeling. right? So let me pick line. I want to mirror this about x-axis, so I'll just draw that line and then draw again up to there about y-axis, right? So I want to mirror this, then I'll pick it again so that you understand better what I've just done. Type mirror 3D, mirror 3D. So I'll select mirror 3D, then I'll pick the first point here, the second point there, the third point there. Do you want to delete source object? No. So you can see what we have just achieved. So basically you have to select 3 points. So the first point was here, the second point is here, that point is there. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.